Is your Play Store stuck on waiting for Wi-Fi, even when your internet is perfectly fine? Don't worry, you're about to fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick steps to get your downloads running again. First, open the Settings app on your phone. From here, go into Apps, and then tap on See All Apps so you can view everything installed on your device. Now look for Google Play Services and open it. In the top right corner, tap the three dots, then select Uninstall Updates. This basically resets Play Services back to the default version, which helps fix hidden glitches. Tap OK to confirm. After that, tap Force Stop and again confirm with OK. This restarts the service fresh. Next, go back and open Google Play Store from the same apps list. Tap on Storage and Cache, then clear the cache first. After that, tap Clear Storage and confirm by tapping Delete. This wipes temporary files that may be causing the waiting for Wi-Fi problem. Once you're done, open the Play Store again. It should start working normally and allow app downloads without getting stuck on Wi-Fi waiting issues. Hope this helped. Try it out and your Play Store should download apps smoothly again.